Manipur Governor Dr. Shahid Ahmed passes away in Mumbai this morning. Former Chief Minister Risang Singh stresses the need for a law to prevent influx of migrants to Manipur. And World Tourism Day on the theme 1 billion tourists, 1 billion opportunities celebrated across the state. Good evening. You're watching Primetime News. I am Nina Yangubam and we are tracking all the top stories and latest news at this hour. Governor of Manipur, Dr. Syed Ahmed, passed away this morning in Mumbai. Dr. Ahmed was suffering from cancer and admitted to Lilavati Hospital last week. He was 75 and is survived by his wife, one son and two daughters. Ahmed was a senior Congress leader and also the cabinet minister on 2 occasions during the Congress regime in Maharashtra. He was elected to Vidhan Sabha 5 times as a representative of the Nagpada constituency in Mumbai. He also served as a minister in Maharashtra. Besides dabbling in politics, Ahmed also had a flair for writing, especially in Urdu. Ahmed held 2 master's degrees in Hindi and English and a doctorate in Urdu. He has written an autobiography, Pak Dandi Se Sheher Tak. Dr. Syed Ahmed was sworn in as governor of Manipur on May 16 this year. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi and Speaker T.H. Lokeshwar have condoled the sudden demise of Governor Dr. Syed Ahmed. In his condolence message, Ibobi said, "The people have lost a great leader and an eminent social activist, and his absence will be felt by all." BJP Manipur Pradesh President T.H. Chauba has condoled the sudden demise of Manipur Governor Dr. Syed Ahmed. The BJP leader this evening met the media at his office at Nityai Pachutek to clarify that there is no rift in the party. Chauba said new office bearers of the party will be elected. The first phase election will be held tomorrow for Imphal East District in Kurai AC and for Bisnupur District in Nambol and Thanga AC. The election from booth level to district level will be held by November 20. He also said election for the state president will be conducted under 2 national returning officer by November 20.
Aikoi asomda report thagani aikoi yamna transparency leina yamna manung mapan phauna taujagani 4,70,000 ming chalaba active member ra mi lising mari manga gi mathakta leiraba Aruma parties na no difference akoina election thenagani 20 November da 20 makta tawne haibanate 20 gi matungda national gi returning officer la aga akoi sida tawgani.
Veteran politician, former Chief Minister and Rajya Sabha member Risang Singh today stressed the need for a law to prevent influx of migrants in a small state like Manipur. Risang Singh said people of Manipur should together think to protect the territorial integrity of the state. He said it is not the right time to think only for the interest of a particular community. He called upon all communities to come forward and hold talks with the state government on the 3 bills passed by the State Assembly. Risang Singh made a statement on the sidelines of Rajkumari Sanatombi Devi Vidyalaya Governors Award and Rajkumari Sanatombi Award 2015 function held at Asajina Complex, North AOC. R.K. Saileja, student of Rajkumari Sanatombi Devi Vidyalaya, was presented with Rajkumari Sanatombi Devi Vidyalaya Governors Award 2015 for this year. 9 persons belonging to different walks of life were also conferred Rajkumari Sanatombi Devi Award today. Speaking on the occasion, MP Dr. T.H. Manya said it will be better if the state government and protesters hold talks at the earliest to bring amicable solutions and to bring peace and normalcy in the state.
Tagami Langmasida, Kudong Chavalo, Tugaina, Honabasida, Asina, ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯆꯪꯉꯛꯄꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯪꯉꯛ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯇꯧꯒꯅꯨ ꯆꯪꯍꯟꯒꯅꯨ
wari watai sanaba yada leri mya pun masingsi amaga phaminadana wari sanadana koi chap chaba hawgalakadriba isai su sing mayam sing yengaga makoina heyeng khara hena nungaina prithivigi masimanau sing marakta masak thongna hingja honobogi kudong chabado aikoina pifam thoi thabak sing ase thoi ba thabak sing ase loisanaba se masi tawbiu hena appeal tawdiningi.
Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh lauded the efforts of Thoubal Jila Parishad, Kangabok Gram Panchayat and officials of the State Adult Education Department to receive the Sakshar Bharat Award 2015 on the occasion of International Literacy Day 2015 held at Vigyan Bhavan, New Delhi on September 8. Chief Minister handed over the award to the Adhyaksha of the Thoubal Jila Parishad, K.H. Surnalata Devi, in a felicitation function held at CM Office Complex yesterday. It may be mentioned that the award was presented by President Pranab Mukherjee and received by the Education Minister M. Okendra Singh on the International Literacy Day 2015 on September 8 at New Delhi, organized by the National Literacy Mission Authority, Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India. As World Tourism Day is celebrated across the globe, Tourism Department of Manipur marked the day at a celebration at Santhai Natural Park at Andro, Imphal East District. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh urged the people to make the state safer and peaceful to make it the destination of maximum tourists. The Chief Minister expressed his grave concern at the destruction of forests in the hills in Andro. He said people in developed countries try to visit different parts of the world to see and enjoy the beauty of nature. He also released a booklet, postcard, map and a travel guide by Lovely Planet India and also a sand animation video of Manipur tourism by Sen artist Sudarshan Patnaik at the event.
Tourism Lapakandada, Moin Legada Mumfunda, and Rosie Quaidi Shepway, Manipur Shepway, Hybatarkadi. Muhoina Laihumse, Akoi, Kainoda, Androda Legatori. Turishina, no the thousands that Lapa Targadi. Masaba Tom than Andros data. World class standard hotel Sarpatarne. Hotel Lama Lapanda, Madeda employment Pigadava, Mohisan, and Nava Takanava, Mayama, Lakadori Mayam Singse. Masi akoi aisi anga papang la kadoi ariba ahlaman haktagi layer mabsing che masi preserve tawda tourist mayam la kuda yamna attractive oigani.
World Tourism Day was also celebrated across the state by various organizations. A rally on the theme Work, Run, Right for Tourism was organized by Manipur Tourism Forum from Kumalampak till Kangla. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh flagged off the rally, which was participated by thousands of people. Youth Affairs and Sports Tourism Parliamentary Secretary M. Prithviraj, Manipur Tourism Forum President Dr. T.H. Davali, Caesar Hospital and Research Institute Managing Director Dr. K.H. Palint were among those who took part in the rally. As part of the event, Manipur Tourism Forum conferred Fellowship Award to 6 media persons of the state. The rally was also participated by members of Manipur Horse Riding and Polo Association, All Manipur Football Association, Manipur Institute of Management Studies, Manipur University, Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association, Babina Diagnostic, Classic Group of Hotels, Caesar Hospitals and Research Institute, Manipur Cycle Club, Cube Tent, Green Revolution Society, Manipur Tourism Development Society, KV Enterprises, Bikers of Royal Riders Manipur and other organizations. The rally culminated in a cultural show at the historic Kangla. Manipur Tourism Forum President Dr. T.H. Davali said the people of the state are not exploiting the potential of tourism sector. He said the event was organized to create awareness among the people about the scopes of tourism in boosting the economy and solving non-employment problem in the state.
तो हंदक चाही की वर्ल्ड टूरिज्म डे की थीम से 1 बिलियन टूरिस्ट 1 बिलियन अपॉर्चुनिटीज है बने यामना मीनिंगफुल होइबा दुगुंबा थीम ने अदुगा मयामनासु खंगबिरे टूरिज्म सिना पृथ्वी की वैना मालयमदा ख्वाइदगी चाउबा इंडस्ट्री मखलमनी दुगा मालयमदा ख्वाइदगी थबक पिबंगंबा अदुगुंबा इंडस्ट्रियल एक्टिविटी अमने टूरिज्म से ngasi akoina manipur tourism forum na sinjariba walk, run and ride for tourism haiba motto sigi makhada khoi ngasigi thoram se pangdok sabani masigi maru eba pandam de khoina khoi lamdam sida leiba miyam da tourism gi maru eba man loriba chobu thodang si mayam da paujel se khoina khangan janing.
Manipur Tourism Development Society today observed World Tourism Day at Eco Park, Shantipur, Sanjambam, Tinsit Road. Saplings were also planted at the park as a part of the observance. Speaking on the occasion, Dr. R.K. Ranjan, retired registrar, Manipur University, said Manipur has huge tourist potential starting from prehistoric caves to contemporary art and craft. He said, however, the lack of a proper tourism policy is ruining them all. The day is also celebrated across the nation under the theme 1 billion tourists, 1 billion opportunities. The Culture Ministry has announced free entry for tourists to nearly 200 ticketed monuments and museums across India except in Bihar as a part of celebrations today. The monuments include Taj Mahal, Agra Fort, Qutub Minar and Red Fort. On the occasion of the day, Union Minister of State for Tourism and Culture, Mahesh Sharma, disclosed that Centre will set up a medical tourism and wellness board. He said the government will give a new shape to medical tourism, keeping in view its importance in the country. The minister also said the government will achieve the target of granting e-tourist visa to 150 countries by December this year. Apunba Irai Park Mahairoi Sinthalup today organized a sport painting and storytelling competition at Iboyama Sumanglila Sanglen Palace Compound in memory of Hijam Irabot. Around 150 students from class 5 to 8 took part in the sport painting competition, while 26 students from class 9 to 12 participated in the storytelling competition. The 21st state-level Jananeta Irawat Song Competition, organized in connection with the 119th birth anniversary of Hijam Irabot, was held at Lambian Basanglan Palace Compound. The song competition was organized by All India Youth Federation, Manipur State Council. The competition was held in junior and senior categories. 44 competitors took part in the competition. Imphal Municipal Corporation today held the first painting, essay and quiz competition for students from Imphal City as a part of national campaign for Swachh Bharat mission at Johnstone Higher Secondary School. Indian Red Cross Society extended help to the flood-affected people of Lesangthem and Khangabok in Thoubal district today. The relief material was handed over to the people by the Secretary of Indian Red Society Manipur branch. The aid included blankets, towels, clothes for women, mosquito nets and buckets. Secretary of Indian Red Cross Society Manipur branch, Dr. Y. Mohan said the society has so far given relief items to 437 persons in Wangu, Charal, Tentha, Chakpikarong, Komno, Thoubal Lesangthem and Khangabok.
Manipur gi ising isau nang laba khungang singda chatna yelakpasi asi manga suba aroi benum sida koi gi Khangabok part 1 2 3 sida yenthoiba 72 sina khwaide yamba beneficiary ni kumsi chahi gi oina khoina Red Cross na mateng pigi basi beneficiary samri ga kontha tare subani.
A 27-year-old woman from Nagaland died in Delhi, while 2 other men from Manipur received severe injuries after they fell from the terrace of a building in an inebriated condition today. According to police, 3 of them were working in a telecom services company situated on the 4th floor of the building located in Krishnanagar area of South Delhi. The area is mostly dominated by students and young professionals from the Northeast people. It's time for a short commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime News. United Meitei Young Forum said KNO and UPF demand for a separate state should not be taken lightly. United Meitei Young Forum, in a press note, asked the government to end the suspension of operation and take action against them immediately. It said KNA is an outfit which was demanding homeland in Myanmar, and the leader of JET RA is also a Myanmarist, and asked why should the government sign SU with these outfits based in other country. Residents today repaired the road in Takyel Khongban Kumanthem Lekai, Bamont Lerak. Fed up with the situation even after frequent complaints to local MLA, Pradhan Jila Parisad, the residents collected funds and started repairing the road. Residents complained that little rain floods the road.
केंद्रसिगी ओइना लेबिरिबा अदगी पंचायत जिला परिषद अदगी मेंबर खुदिमंगना हारिबा लेरक अनि हारिबा लेरक सी अमता थवा साबिदबदगी युमथों कुनगा तरियत सिना गाड़ी लोल अमम पुथोंगनरगा हारिबा था नुंग थाजबने.
Residents of Wangkei Kongnang Makong till Harikagok Makong, along with Thangapat Maintenance Committee YDC Club, have threatened to close the road in case the concerned authorities failed to repair the road in near future. The residents complained that they have requested the local MLA and ministers concerned to repair the road many times. They said in case the road is not repaired, they will launch agitation along with club members and Mera Paibis. A thief was caught at Jennings by security guards and police personnel early this morning around 3. The accused is identified as Tampamayum Sekhand, son of Tampamayum Aboton from Keiku Turel Mapal. He used to steal belongings of patient party at Jennings. 5 mobile phones, 2 mobile chargers, including other items, were recovered from his possession. Earlier, there have been complaints from Jennings ICU, female medicine ward and male medicine ward. Auto Rickshaw Union plying from Jennings to Khairamban Keitel today held a one-day social service camp in and around Jennings complex. Around 100 auto drivers cleaned the area. A one-day free heart screening camp will be organized by Manipur Heart Foundation in association with Sky Hospital and Research Center on September 29 from 9 a.m. till 5 p.m. at Sky Hospital, Porompat branch, celebrating World Heart Day. Free consultation, echo, ECG and medicines will be available in this free heart screening camp. A literary forum on K. Padmakumar and his literary works was held at Chorus Repertory Theatre in Uripok, Samusang, Uku. The function was organized by Sahitya Academy and Ipa Thaukok. Professor H. Behari, Manipur Language Advisory Board convener under Sahitya Academy, New Delhi, said there is a trend that only works of Academy Award winners of the state are discussed. Professor Behari said there is a need to discuss the works of writers who write prose and poetry. As part of the function, 4 selected works of late writer Padmakumar were released today. A team of Manipur State Power Development Company Limited, during its drive, caught defaulter power consumers for unauthorized connection conducted at Sagolban, Sayang, Kuraumakong, Kwaketal Subdivision, IED 2, Lamphel. Soraisam Leiren Devi was fined Rs 2,000 as Tambalngau Singh was fined Rs 4,000 and Haisnam Tombi Devi was fined Rs 5,000 by MSPDCL. In a press release, Deputy General Manager, Imphal Electrical Division No. 2, Manipur State Power Distribution Company Limited, MSPDCL, informs that Nityananda 750 kVA transformer installed at Nagamapal will not be able to supply powers for a few days from today as it is out of order. MSPDCL requests consumers to bear the inconvenience till another arrangement is made. 3-day training cum workshop on intensive participatory planning exercise, phase 2 for the members of block planning team and officers under the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme for Thoubal district began yesterday at Thoubal DC complex. Troops of 20 Assam Rifles of 26th Sector Assam Rifles under the aegis of Headquarter IGAR South arrested one NSC and K cadre on September 25 during an operation in Tuisimi. The cadre was identified as self-styled Private Lam Faka Koba Maring, 33 years, son of Le El Morung Maring of Laiching, Kangsang Village, Thoubal District. Langtawal Nambul Mapal Club and Mairapaibi Loop jointly organized a one-day Nisagi Mayukta Miyamgi Kongjang. The event held at Langtawal Mantri Kong, Awanglekai Community Hall, discussed the harmful effects of drugs and ways to fight the menace of drugs and narcotic substances. Residents of More, in a press note, appealed to the authorities concerned to supply electricity till 3 a.m. Currently, the power supply is cut off at 12 midnight in the border town. RuPay debit cards were distributed to residents of Ramji Kabuikul under Patsoi Assembly constituency this morning. The scheme under Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana will benefit beneficiaries of the state. Patsoi Kendra Social Upliftment Organization collaborated with Punjab National Bank, Pauna Bazar, Irilbung branch so that residents of Ramji Kabuikul can open a zero account in the bank. The function was attended by Patsoi Kendra Social Upliftment Organization Chief Patron C.H. Bijoy Singh, Kulakpa Gangmai Gangwilung, representatives of Punjab National Bank and residents of Kabuikul. Langban Charatamba was offered at Nongdam Sanglen, Pakangba Lining Kon today. Nongdam Mapu Thaugalup Imphal is organized the ritual at Baruni Chingkhong, Waka. Now the sports news. A. Sanatombi has bagged the women's singles title of the 4th state ranking table tennis championship. In the women's singles final, A. Sanatombi of Imphal West defeated and End of Thoubal to clinch the title. In the youth boys singles final match, K8's Vantakumar beat L. Subhas 4-3 to win the title, while K. Rohit beat R.K. Daniel 4-2 to win the sub-junior boys singles final. And in the junior girls singles, Monalisa of Imphal win the title. About 100 players competed in 8 events in the tournament organized by District Table Tennis Association, Imphal West at Indo Stadium, DM College. C.H. Jayalakshmi left Imphal today to participate in the Asian Bench-Pressed Powerlifting Championship 2015 to be held in Muscat, Oman from September 30 to October 6. Ilangwam Lekai Bodybuilding Training Center, wish her luck. Thingbaijam Sarita Devi and Kongbrailakpam Sarita Devi will represent India in the 49th Asian Bodybuilding Championship to be held in Uzbekistan from the 29th of this month. All Manipur Gymnasium Welfare Association and Kanglei Fitness Center extended financial help to the bodybuilders at an event held at Kanglei Fitness Center at Singjamai Supermarket. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Manipur Governor Dr. Syed Ahmed passes away in Mumbai this morning. Former Chief Minister Risankar Singh stresses the need for a law to prevent influx of migrants to Manipur. And World Tourism Day on the theme 1 billion tourists, 1 billion opportunities celebrated across the state. Thank you very much for being with us. Stay tuned for the Primetime Manipuri Bulletin. Good night.